I'm back. This is Southwest 212. But before we get started, I want to show you something that sits on my desk. This is a little Mario Kart that Mr. Everett gave me a few years back. It's kind of like on one of those like Pez dispensers. You can see the little notch where it screws in. Let me just show you a few things about this. It doesn't roll the best, but it does roll straight. One thing that is a little disappointing about this is that there's not real rims. It's just been a sticker that's just been placed on the tires. Some cool things though, that it really does look like a good Mario Kart. Like, I'm pretty impressed. It's got an M on the cart for Mario, and it's got an M on the hat for Mario. That's pretty neat. And also, you can't really see where it was made. Like, normally things say where they're made. So this thing kind of appeared. It doesn't say it's made anywhere, so it must have just appeared. And it's got the little engine on the back too. There's Mario's ears. You know, he's always got a big nose, but there he is. He's grabbing the steering wheel. He's doing some driving. It's pretty cool. All right, let's do some math. We need to set this up so that we can solve. So let's read it so we make sure we've read everything before we start going about this. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of the parallelogram is 360 degrees. That means if you add up all the angles, you'll get 360. And interior angles, remember, they're inside of a shape because they're interior, kind of like an interior decorator. They would decorate and put things inside your house, hang things up, put in new furniture, so inside. Write and solve an equation to find the value of the variable. Okay, so if I add up all four of these, I'm going to get 360. So let's start with writing our equation like that. So 35, I'm just going to go around in the circle so I make sure I've got everything like this, plus x plus 35 plus x equals 360. There is a shortcut for this. You might have noticed that you could put the x's together and just write 2x right away. You also might have noticed you could just put the 35 and the 35 together right away and get plus 70 equals 360. Both of those are fine, but you'll notice, like, if we would have combined like terms in this equation, we would have gotten 2x. If we would have combined like terms here, 35 and 35, we would have got 70. Okay, let's solve. I'm going to subtract the 70 from both sides. Whoop, not an x, 70. And then this cancels out. I'll bring down the 2x because we didn't do anything with it. That'll equal 290. And I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to get x by itself. So x equals 145. And it's not like I'm a complete math genius here. Like, I've done my work on the side to check to make sure before I did these problems that I do them right for you. So it's not like I can just do these out of blue. I got to think about it too. So take your time and think about it, and you'll get through them. Hope this helped you on your homework. Hang in there, guys. You're doing a great job. Keep working hard until I come back. I'm excited to see you guys and get to know you. Southwest 212, over now.